Guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna open all my crates. July 4th, Oasis. But let's start with the Brie crate all the way to the July 4th crate. Ooh, another Sun Throne. Okay. I now have two of those. That's common, bruh. As you can see here in my previous other videos, I still have not. In my previous videos, I still don't have the parasol. Sorry about that. Let's open these other crates. Wait, what did I get from the last? Oh, nice! An eagle statue. A rocket. Oh, don't worry about that. That's just our dog. What's that? Not so sus. Bruh. Yo, another eagle statue. What's this? Okay, nice. Celebrate this off with a bunch of fireworks. Wait, let me turn on my sounds. Wait. Bro, why is there no sound? Well, I'm gonna end the video right there. If you want more, please subscribe, and if you want more videos, like and comment on my other videos to show your support.